Hi everyone, welcome to Unscrew English. In today's video, we are going to learn 20 new idioms with one and only Katrina Kaif. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
I think the greatest strength that he was to me was the fact that he didn't try and ever mollycoddle me or make it special.
Mollycoddle. Mollycoddle का मतलब है किसी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा केयर करना या किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटेक्ट करना. For example, you're not helping the children by mollycoddling them. They have to grow up sometime.
It was just like this little band of,
It sounds like a
a
picnic.
motley crew.
Motley Crue. Motley Crue का मतलब है a group of people who are very different from each other. मतलब ऐसे लोगों का ग्रुप जो एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग है. For example, the people on the trip were a motley crew. Everybody had a different opinion.
And you can scream and you can yell and cry and you can hit your head against the wall.
To hit your head against the wall. To hit your head against the wall means to try and do something useless and impossible again and again. जब आप किसी ऐसे इम्पॉसिबल और यूजलेस काम को बार बार करने की कोशिश करते हो बट विदाउट एनी सक्सेस दैट इज व्हेन वी कैन यूज द फ्रेज टू हिट योर हेड अगेंस्ट द वॉल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई फेल्ट लाइक हिटिंग माई हेड अगेंस्ट द वॉल while trying to fix the code.
They've gone for it full guns blazing.
All guns blazing. All guns blazing का मतलब है to do something with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. जब आप किसी काम को बहुत सारे efforts के साथ करते हो, then you can use the phrase with all guns blazing. For example, he went into the match with all guns blazing and won the tournament.
When I do believe everyone goes through phases in their life of ups and downs and trying times.
Trying times. Trying times का मतलब है एक ऐसा time period जो बहुत difficult हो. A time period which is very difficult to deal with. For example, we were all going through trying times during COVID-19.
And sometimes I'm extremely hyper, but those are little peaks and troughs. Like it depends on the day.
Peaks and troughs. Peaks and troughs can be used to describe the high points and low points in life, the good and the bad, the ups and the downs. For example, life is a roller coaster ride full of peaks and troughs, but you have to keep moving forward.
I feel it's all part and parcel of being an actor.
Part and parcel. Part and parcel means an essential or necessary part of something. For example, risks are part and parcel of any business.
I think I'm hard on myself. And I think we all are hard on ourselves.
To be hard on yourself. To be hard on yourself means to criticize yourself harshly. अपने आप को criticize करना in a very harsh manner. For example, you shouldn't be hard on yourself. You tried your best.
I was just finding my feet.
To find your feet. To find your feet का मतलब है एक नई सिचुएशन में कॉन्फिडेंट और कंफर्टेबल फील करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, it took me a few weeks to find my feet at the new job.
In the overall picture, if you ask me, in the heart of hearts,
Hearts of hearts. Hearts of hearts means your truest, deepest feelings. For example, in my hearts of hearts, I knew that leaving the job was the right decision.
your process as an actor before you come on set, what you want to do, what you bring to the table.
To bring something to the table. To bring something to the table का मतलब है to contribute something valuable in a discussion or a project. For example, her innovative ideas brought a lot to the table during the meeting.
Two wrongs don't make a right.
Two wrongs don't make a right. Two wrongs don't make a right का मतलब है if someone else does something wrong with you and you also do something wrong with them in response, then you are not right. अगर किसी ने आपके साथ कुछ बुरा किया और आपने उसके रिस्पॉन्स में उनके साथ कुछ बुरा किया, it doesn't mean that you are in the right. For example, just because he cheated on you doesn't mean you should do the same. Two wrongs don't make a right.
You realize it's gone out of your control, and what do? You can throw yourself in a heap on the floor and start crying.
To throw yourself in a heap. To throw yourself in a heap means to fall down or collapse because of extreme tiredness. For example, I threw myself in a heap after coming back from the gym.
Yes, you hit the nail on the head. Akshay Kumar is the morning person.
To hit the nail on the head. To hit the nail on the head means to do or say exactly the right thing. एकदम सही बात बोलना या करना. For example, I think you hit the nail on the head with the color of this wallpaper. It looks better than I expected.
And if you don't have the stomach to accept failure and to do risky things and fail, then you can never achieve anything great.
Right.
To not have the stomach to. To not have the stomach to means to not have the courage to do something difficult or unpleasant. जब आप कोई difficult या unpleasant चीज को नहीं कर पाते हो. For example, I don't have the stomach to watch a horror movie.
You should be honest. Yeah, honestly.
Stick to my guns. Pressure.
To stick to your guns. To stick to your guns means to firmly stand on your opinion. इसका मतलब है अपने opinion पे टिके रहना. For example, even though she was criticized, she stuck to her guns and made the plan work.
Have you ever thought to yourself, मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
No. I don't think so.
You don't cry over spilt milk.
Don't cry over spilt milk. Don't cry over spilt milk का मतलब है to not get bothered or upset by something that cannot be changed. जिस चीज़ को आप change नहीं कर सकते उसके बारे में परेशान होने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. For example, I lost my phone, but I guess it's no point crying over spilt milk.
I'm crying. I'm bawling my eyes out.
To bawl your eyes out. To bawl your eyes out means to cry loudly and with a lot of tears. For example, when she lost the match, she bawled her eyes out.
Oh my goodness. Like you really feel you're out of your depth there.
To feel out of your depth. To feel out of your depth means to not have the knowledge, skill, or experience to do or perform a particular task. For example, I felt out of my depth in the advanced spoken English class, so I moved to the intermediate level.
It's not as if you're just starting out in your career and, everything is all, stars in your eyes and big, big fancy dreams.
To have stars in your eyes. To have stars in your eyes means to be hopeful and extremely positive about what might happen in the future without thinking about the challenges. जब आप इतना पॉजिटिव फील करते हो अबाउट द फ्यूचर लेकिन आप चैलेंजेस को नहीं देखते हो या चैलेंजेस को कंसिडर नहीं करते हो देन वी कैन यूज द फ्रेज टू हैव स्टार्स इन योर आईज. For example, she had stars in her eyes when she told me she wanted to become an actress. That's it for today's video. I hope you find these 20 idioms helpful. Start using them in your everyday conversation and see the difference that they make. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to find more such English content. Keep unscrewing English with me. Until next time.